Hi everyone, in this video, we will show exactly how to check the real battery health iPhone. Start by opening the Settings app on your iPhone. Scroll down and tap on Battery. Tap on Battery Health. Here, you can view the maximum capacity of your battery and its peak performance capability. To get a more accurate picture, check the cycle count of your iPhone. Exit Settings and open a web browser. Search for iPhone battery cycle shortcut. Find a suitable shortcut, like the one for Pay It Forward. Download and add it to your Shortcuts app. Open the Shortcuts app, locate the battery stats shortcut, and run it. This will provide detailed analytics about your battery's performance. For more insights, return to Settings. Tap on Privacy and Security, then Analytics and Improvements, and finally, Analytics Data. Locate the most recent analytics report. Tap on the share icon, scroll down, and select Battery Stats to view detailed information about your battery health. Thanks for watching, and please leave a like, subscribe, and share.